Welcome to EG Nexus.
Hey guys, so today I am joined by Stella and Kenny, who has to be quiet at this time, but he can...
For unspecified human reason. But I can yell for a split second.
Anyway, so this video is not what my channel name would imply. You think that the real meaning of my channel name is Electronic Games Center, but this has nothing to do with games today.
But it's electronic.
Yes. No G, but E. E Nexus we are today.
What's that?
E-Nexus.
Letter T.
Yeah. Okay. So, what are Kenny and Stella known for besides games?
Think about it for a second.
Think.
Kenny
Brain.
records them in high quality, and this will give them away definitely. Kenny's mum has them.
And your time is now up. If you didn't guess it, you're gonna jeopardy your butt.
Okay, so it's time to reveal Furbies, and you might be like, whoa. You might be like, whoa, where did this coral guy come from? Yeah, I don't think I ever told you guys this, but I did get a coral Furby 2023. And then also from Stella, I got the DJ Furby Furblets Candy Swirl and Disco Daz.
Who knows when you're gonna see them, because I recorded that video and my laptop's dead.
Yeah, so now Kenny has no computer. So that's just
I
bloody
can't
great.
post.
Yeah. And he can't make a post about it either, like a community post, because, yeah, poop.
Well, I could probably make a community post on my iPad, but other than that, probably nothing.
Well,
So great.
Yeah. Let's just show you guys a bit of all three of these. Just maybe singing. Starting with this coral guy. Hey Furby. Dance party. What?
What the heck?
I said dance party. Hey Furby. Dance party. Thank you.
The party time? Yay! La 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 la. La.
Lol. Okay. Well, that's him. Now we'll do the candy swirl. Which one are you?
What did you say? That was so slyly?
Because I thought I picked up the Disco Daz for a second. So, yeah, this is the candy swirl. That's that. And then, here's the Disco Daz. Okay. So yeah, that is the start of my Furby collection because I'm now into Furbies. But but is it?
Or is there another surprise under Kenny's butt mystery?
Well, no, there's another surprise behind the camera. So today I went to Big W, which is it's kind of like Walmart for Australia, but it doesn't have groceries. There's also a thing called Woolworths, which is the grocery side of Big W. But yeah, this isn't a sponsorship, I promise. Meow meow. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, I went to Big W and there were a few games. I'm just gonna talk about the games because this is a game channel. 1 Bop It Stitch, about 20 Bop It Classics. 20! Like what? And also some flip slides that I didn't get to test. Then also we went to the Furbies. We found 2 Rainbow DJ Furbies for $109. No!
No!
I really want a DJ Furby and I'm just like, why do you have to be that expensive? I'm not paying that. My parents won't let me pay that. So, yeah, great. They also had Furby minis for $6. They're not electronic, so no. But what else did they have? They had some
box that falls from the sky.
Yes. They had a bunch of Series 3 Furblets, I believe it was. And I bought one. So let's pull it out from behind the camera and show you. Still in its box. It's the Hula. Not the Nula, the Hula.
Stella has its box. I was like, what?
Oh my god.
What?
I don't have it.
No, you don't.
Anyway, so yeah, let's unbox this. I might need to make a cut just in case I need assistance. Yeah, let's try this.
This is gonna be freaking epic. Because your
And so
first
I can
fur.
put Eddie in the background.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
I might give you a hint as to what I'm supposed to be doing. Because
Ow.
time zones are amazing.
Yeah, we love time zones, guys.
Eddie
Okay, so in Sean's background, I heard someone scream and I swear it sounded like they said Ayla.
What?
Ayla Melaku. Okay, that was risky.
It was very risky. Yeah, guys, Kenny loves taking risks.
I am a daredevil in some forms.
Yeah. One of the main things that is also taking things apart. You're a bit of a daredevil there. But yeah. Anyway. I can't get this bloody tape off. Let me try the side. Side is so poop. The bottom. Wacky. What? Okay, guys, I'm just gonna rip the box up. Honestly.
Yeah.
I know I said I might keep it, but yeah, freak it. Okay, I can feel the Furblet, and it feels different to the DJ ones. So yeah, let's try and get it out. I think I
But yeah, and its ears will be closed, just so you know.
Yes, I did feel that.
And
Okay.
Just press the head button, but that'll also turn it on.
So the whole box is now broken. That clip is also different, I swear.
Yeah, a little bit.
It might be.
Okay.
Do you feel that weird tie now that I was talking about?
Wait. Is that the, it's like tied in on the loop that the clip is on?
Yeah, on the loop there's a stupid tie.
Yeah. So guys, this is the part where I thought I'd have to make a cut, so yeah, I am gonna make a cut. Say hi to Hula.
Yeah.
Yep, I've got it all cut out of its box. And now, are we ready for the big reveal?
And we're gonna find out what bitch
3,
Yay.
2, 1. Okay.
Ooh.
Well, that's
That's
something.
higher than mine.
That happened when I pressed the heart gem. What the hell?
Yeah. The thing is with the originals, they can duet by beat and heart gem.
Oh, the head button does things.
Pretty high.
But
It's
yeah.
lower than mine. Higher again. What the hell? I can't see.
Also, this one has fur on the back of the ears. The DJ ones don't.
Yeah, and so two things. Well, not two things. One thing to say. So the heart gem is for the 4 music tracks you can access. The beak is for feeding it. If you hold it, it will duet. But it will also duet on the heart gem. Then the head button is all the vocals for the most part. But it will play music pieces with the head button as well.
Okay then. Oh, that happens. I guess. And if you hold this, it will do it again. Or if you hold the heart. Oh, that.
That's the interact.
And if you hold the head button. Good night, hula. Oh, that snores twice. The DJ ones only go once.
And that's because anyone before, I think Series 4, they did twice, and then they changed it. It's interesting.
Let's try duetting these two, just for the heck of it.
It's probably gonna sound like shit, but we'll see.
Yeah, where's the head button? There. Alright. That one's faster, what the hell?
Yeah, because like some of them are acoustic to certain like series, so like they made some faster, some slower. So it's like
I didn't even think it was that bad, to be honest.
it's okay. The beginning was good.
Yup. So yeah. That was the start of my Furby collection and the unboxing of Hula. Thank you for your input there, Hula. So yeah. Thanks for watching and peace out. One quick thing I'll add is after playing with it for a couple minutes, it's not quite what I was expecting. Not sound design wise, not at all. I was not expecting it to sound like that. And I did think it had a bit more to it, but yeah, I still love it, and it's still great. So yeah, now peace out for real.
Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.